Hello lovely people, welcome back. In this lesson today we're going to continue with our practice of the low second finger, and we're going to combine the low second fingers on the D string and the low second fingers on the A string. And in this lesson we're practicing exercise 158, and you can find that on page 41 in your book, and it is a continuation of what we've practiced in our previous lesson. And I'm hoping that by the end of this lesson you'll feel really confident playing this exercise. So let's go ahead and let's delve straight in, practicing this exercise very slowly. And bear in mind that you place your second finger close to the first finger, both on the D string and on the A string, so your second fingers are in the same place on both strings. Here we go. 1, 2, 3, 4. What we're going to work on when we practice this exercise is leaving the first finger down. So whenever we add the second finger, we add it to the first finger. So we have both fingers on the string when we play the second finger. And we're going to try and resist taking the first finger off as we add the second finger. So you have two fingers on the string. The other thing that I want you to focus on is when you slur two notes, is that you add the next note when your bow is in the middle on the string. So let's first focus on leaving the fingers down, and then we'll have another go, and then we'll focus on the bowing. So I'm splitting the difficulty, as you can see. So let's focus on leaving the fingers down. 1, 2, 3, 4. Both fingers down together now. And here as well, both fingers down at the same time. Amazing when you can do that. That's really clever. Now we'll play this song one more time. And that time I want you to... Oh, that is my doggy who sees a car come past. So when we're in the middle of each of the slurs, let's just hold it for a moment when we next play, so that we can check that we're also in the middle of our bow. And I'll show you what I mean by that. So we're here. I'm just going to look at the bow. Am I roughly in the middle? Yes. Am I roughly in the middle? Yes. So here we go. And am I in the middle? Yes. Am I in the middle? Yes, that's correct. Look at your bow now. Are you in the middle? Yes. Are you in the middle? Are you in the middle? Yes. And? Well done. And you may wonder, why is that so important that I'm in the middle when I slur two notes? If you're in the middle when you slur two notes, when you change your note, it means that both halves of your bow are equally long. What I get so often is that people play like this and then need to speed up the bow to get to the other end. So when you change in the middle of your bow, your bowing is much more even. You see, I don't need to speed my bow up this way, and that is what's so good about it. So if you've enjoyed something in this lesson today, can you please do me a favour and like this video? And I really appreciate that because it shows to YouTube that people are enjoying the content that I'm creating and it will serve it to more people. So thank you so much, much appreciated. I very much look forward to seeing you in the next lesson where we're going to practice exercise 161. So I really look forward to seeing you then. Goodbye.